531 feet yan guys. Tapos 200 yung capacity. So mamaya sasakay kami dyan. Kawawa na may asawa ko doon, no? Oh, tatakot si husband. Babe, come on, babe. Come on. I will hold you, babe.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Hello guys, good morning. Kamusta kayong lahat? Bali, second day na namin dito sa Brighton, guys. Ayun, gumising ako, nagayak na ako, nag-ayos na ako. Tapos, yung dalawa, late na nagising. Napuyat sila kagabi. Tapos, eto si Adrian, ala pang balak bumangon. Nakapantulog ako, ayan. Nakapantulog. So, nakakapagod kasi kahapon yung lakad-lakad namin. Nagpunta pa kami sa mall. Sa mall, ang matagal lang kami. Dahil nga, binili ko ng damit si Riona. Nagaya sa mall. Tapos, syempre, ikot-ikot. Alam niyo na may mga teenager gusto sa mall. Tapos yun, pagkatapos naming mag-mall, kumain kami. Nag-standby din kami doon. Tapos, nag-check-in kami. Yun lang, naubos na yung oras namin. Sa ganun. Tapos, nung dinner naman yun. Ang ganda ng pinuntahan namin. Hindi nga ako, parang pakiramdam ko, hindi ako nakapag-video ng maayos nung nag-dinner kami. So, ngayon ko susulit yung araw na to. Na, sana maganda yung weather. Sana naman, mainit nga ulit today. Kaya lang, nakikita ko mukhang mahangin tapat pa naman kami ng yung sa dagat. Pag naglakad ka doon at mahangin, malamig din. So, sana. Kasi noon na-experience namin, mainit. Pero pag humangin, ang lamig, ginawa ko. So, sana this time, it's hot enough, warm enough, para makapaglakad-lakad kami. Magbe-breakfast kami today, guys. So, panibagong video to. At papakita ko sa inyo, isi-share ko sa inyo ang aming mga ganap dito sa Brighton. So, guys, magbe-breakfast kami, guys. Ano na dito? Bali na 9:20 na. Outfit check. Okay, yan ang aming outfit check. Good morning! Good morning, guys! Kaya pupunta kami sa cafe. Nagbe-breakfast kami. Pagka nag-hotel kami, nag-explore kami ng ng iba't ibang kung saan kami magbe-breakfast. Lumalabas kami. So, yun, ang ganda ng kulay ng dagat. The beach is very nice. Very lovely naman there.
I go to bed to get up early. I go to work and not much change. I met a girl and she's quite funny, but I'm not quite there, ready for love. It's been alright without you here, though it was better when you were there right by my side that long ago. Oh, how I wish I didn't care if I was okay, that I could just erase, rewind, let it roll. But now I've been there and done that.
Ibang-iba ang aming surrounding today. Pagising mo, iba. Hindi busy kasi. Hindi pa to busy kasi umaga. Mamaya-maya to pagtanghali, ang dami ng mga tao dito. Lalo na sa hapon. Dami nang kumakain dyan sa labas. Gutom na ako. Ang dami nagbe-breakfast sa labas. Mga tourist din sila siguro. Dito kami kumain kagabi. Ayan. Sarado pa. Mamaya pa sila bukas sa hapon. Sa tanghali. Kami kumakain doon ha. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak nila dito oh. Mga fresh yan guys. Mga fresh yung mga bulaklak nila. So guys, mag-check out na kami. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kalaki itong aming maleta. Check out. Tapos, dadili namin to sa car. Tapos pupunta kami sa pier. Yan. Doon kami nag-stay dati sa Hotel du Bistro. Kami sa bistro na yon. Nice hotel. Very nice hotel. Kaya paglampas namin dito, parking na. So, pupunta muna kami sa sa gabi doon. Meron sila doong upside down house.
Is it here? Is it on the other side?
I think it's close, yeah, on the other side of that. So, ito yung mga hotel nila dito, mga front, sila, mga front beach.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me?
So ito nga lang ang beach dito guys, mabato. Dati nung una ko dito, nagtsinelas ako dito, masakit sa paa. Hi there! So mamaya doon kami pupunta sa pier. Mamaya sunog na kami nito. So pupunta kami sa upside down. Marami dito mga magagawa. Ay, may basketball. Tapos dito naman may, what is it game babe? This one?
Volleyball. Oh no, that's, I don't know what they call that.
It's like tennis.
Right, yeah.
It's like tennis. Tapos ito, basketball. So alam nyo guys, napakataas nito. Ayan, sa personal. Napakataas nitong i360.
Yes.
Ay, but anyway, guys, nakikita nyo yung pod na to. Ang laki niya sa personal. Ayan, bababa na yung ibang May mga nakaupo dito sa bench. Is it free if you sit there?
Probably not, no.
Not including this week, my 3 weeks.
Okay.
Do you want to go up there and ask them when the time's off?
Yes.
Okay, start now.
Tapos ito yung mga shops naman dito. Yung iba aga-aga nag-drink na. It's so early that they're drinking already.
Yeah, why not?
So guys, pupunta kami sa sa entrance. Titingnan, mag-walk in lang kami. Hindi ko alam kung papasukin kami ha. Kasi hindi kami nakabook.
Hello. We're just curious if we can get on the next one and when it is.
Kailangan pala namin bumalik mamaya guys kasi it's in maintenance. So babalik daw kami after 20 minutes ata. So pupunta muna kami sa upside down. Parang meron ditong may art sila, gallery. So iyan mga shops yan, souvenir shops, drink shops. Nice be. Upside down house.
Yeah.
Nakakahilo last time na nagpunta kami dito, nakakahilo.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me?
So guys, meron ditong lifeguard kasi ang dami naliligo. Tapos may mga parang rescue din doon, just ready sila. Yan, buti pa sila nagsiswimming. I'm jealous. So Sarap kaya mag-swimming. Doon sa hotel na pinasukan namin, pwede doong mag-swimming. Kaso hindi kaming dalang swimsuit. Ayan, may lifeguard dyan. Ang daming nagpapaiting dito. Ayun, nakabilad sa araw.
That talent.
Oo. Punta kami dito sa gazebo. Mukhang maganda yung view dito. Selfie muna tayo dito. Talagang hihimatayin ka sa init, hindi naman. Maganda. Ang ganda naman dito. Very nice view here, babe. Tapos, pag nandito ka mahangin, ang sarap. Sarap sa pakiramdam ng hangin. Kasi may init sa labas, tapos yung hangin ay malamig. So, ayun, ang ganda naman dito mag-selfie. So, merong dito shop or pub. Pwede kang mag-drink sa baba. Tapos, ayun, kita mo yung view. So, kailangan matyaga-tyaga kang maglakad-lakad dito, guys, para mabisita mo yung yung magagandang lugar. Ayun, umaandar na yung I-360. So, pwede na kami mamamaya, pumunta dyan. Ayan. So, magsiselfie muna kami dito. Mag-picture-picture muna kami dito.
Sorry, love, I'm a bit sweaty.
It's alright?
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you. Something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down. But maybe I'm...
So, yung babalik kami dun sa I-360, guys. Be careful na, ha? So, dito kami sasakay, guys. Ayan yung dalawa. Ang init nga naman. Pag wala ka sa shades, ang init. So, ito yung kabuuan ng pod. Is it pod, babe?
I don't know what you call it, yeah? Pod.
Pod.
Spaceship.
Yan.
Up it comes, the doors are closing.
Ayan. Tapos, papanik yan dito. Tataas yan dito. Yan. At doon kami sasakay. Meron silang drinks sa loob. Meron silang snacks na pwede kang bumili. You can buy inside or you need to pay for there?
You can buy them inside, yeah.
Okay. Tapos, ang taas-taas niya. Imagine, 531 feet. 200 people ang capacity nito daw. So, ayan, guys. Ang laki ng bench na yan, be.
I mean, I should get brave and stand by the edge today, shouldn't I?
Oh,
I don't think I could do it last time.
Last time natakot si Adrian Medyo nervous siya sa May fear of heights kasi si
I think
Adrian.
I need to stand on the edge, hold the rail while it's going up.
That's the challenge
Otherwise,
for you.
I'm probably going to be too scared to walk towards the end.
Yeah, that's a challenge for you, love.
That is today's challenge, is it?
Yeah, today's
Not that
challenge.
scary.
Ayan na. Nagre-ready na. Today's challenge, guys, lalapit si Adrian sa pinaka-edge ng mamaya.
Terrified.
Okay, dahan-dahan lang na. Baka matisod ka sa pagpasok.
Thank you.
Hello, thank you. Ang laki, meron pa siyang sounds. Huwag naman tayo sana makaka-ride dito. Ang laki, ayan, may upuan pa sila. Dati wala sila niyan. Ayan, meron na silang upuan.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I...
Ayun si Adrian, natatakot. Scary for Adrian. May fear of heights kasi siya. Ayun si Riona. Yan. So, dun sa kabilang side, makikita mo puro dagat naman sa kabilang side. So, mamaya lilipat tayo dun sa kabilang side, guys.
discovered. And when I'm with you,
here, babe. Come here. Ay, si Aiden. Natatakot na naman. Come here. Scary. Naisip ng mga bata. Daddy scared na. Babe, come on, babe. Come on. I will hold you, babe.
When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising.
Natapat kami sa mga batang maingay. Tapos dito, pwede kang bumili ng mga snacks nila. Ayan. Mga wine, syempre.
I wanna embrace life. You and I side by side, knowing there is more.
Ganda ng view. Ay, nga, kasabay natin mga daycare. Tuwan-tuwa ang mga kabataan.
I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life. You and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered.
Kawawa na may asawa ko doon, no? Oh, tatakot si husband. Hey! Come here! Your challenge! Let's have photo then.
You're not rising.
So, ayan na si Adrian, yung challenge niya Hey! Stay there, babe! What can you say?
Yeah, it's so high, isn't it?
Adrian cannot stay too long in the edge of the pond. You look serious. You look so serious today. Seryoso. And si Riona nag-enjoy ng pag-picture-picture. Paano humina ng mga bata? Nagutom na siguro. Ayan si Manong, umiinom na ng beer.
See all the chalk.
So, babe. Nanlalamig yung kamay niya. Nanginginig na, nanlalamig pa yung kamay. So, nervous. Takot siya dito sumakay, guys. Takot. Pinilit ko lang. Very nice view. Ay, yung mga bata. Ayun na naman. Tinan nyo na may mga kabataan. Ayan, nagdadapaan dyan. Walang katakot-takot. So guys, tingnan natin ulit dito. Ayan, tingnan nyo ang ating guys, andito kami ngayon sa para siyang bar. Ayan o. Tapos eto yung view naman dito sa kabila. Ayan, huwag naman sana ako makaka-copyright ng kumakanta na yan. May kumakanta kasi. So walang tao kami lang, kaya maganda. Nagpahinga muna kami dito bago kami pumunta dun sa pier. Gustong makita ni Rio na yung mga rides. Tsaka mahilig siya maglaro dun sa mga game center. Sa game.
Did you want chips of yours? Because you've just ordered the burger.
I don't mind, but if you want to share the chips, if you want chips, then I can have chips. So, ang ganda ng view, guys. Kitang-kita yung paligid. Kitang-kita yung dagat. Ah, may live palang kumakanta. Live pala yun. Akala ko Akala ko ay ano siya? Radio. Ganda kasi kami lang yung tao. So, mainit ang panahon ngayon. Sigurado, mamaya nito maitim na kami. Mamaya nito brown na kami nito mamaya. Tusta na kami. Kasi mainit talaga yung panahon. Gutom kami. So, umorder kami. Scan lang yung scan mo lang yung phone mo dito. Lalabas na yung mga menu nila. Yung mga foods nila. So, ayun. Ito. Scan namin dito sa table. At o-order na ni Adrian. Okay? So, ayan guys, magpapahinga muna kami dito. Magre-relax muna kami dito bago kami maglakad doon. Nakakauhaw kasi. Ayan yung hotel namin kahapon, yung Leonardo Royal. Diyan kami nag-stay. Bali, second day na namin to guys. At mamaya uuwi na kami. So yun guys, ang dami-daming tao. Lahat nagbibilad sa araw. Nagpapatan sila sa araw. So ang dami nagiinom. Siguro ang hirap mag-inom parang ang hirap kayang mag-inom o maglasing kapag ganito napakainit ng panahon.
Any chance I can interest you guys in 2-for-1 cocktails?
No, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, you too. Ito may mini fun fair sila, oh. Ayan. Para sa mga kabataan. Kaya lang, nak? So, nung maliit ka, nak, mahilig ka sumakay dyan. Lagi kita sinasakay. Minsan si Abel ang nakasakay sa'yo. Natatandaan mo? Minsan si Tita Abel mo nakaano sa'yo. Tingnan nyo naman ang sasaya nila. Oh, nag-i-enjoy talaga sila. Ang saya kaya. Talagang ini-enjoy yung sikat ng araw. Sarap kaya. Ang sarap maglubalob dyan na maligo. Ayun yung pier. Doon kami pupunta sa habang pier na yun. Meron doong mga mini rides. Guys, papakita ko sa inyo pag nandun na kami.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave.
So dito, ang daming mga shops din inside nito. Tingnan mo, mga busy sila, oh. Ang tindi ng sikat ng araw talaga, ang init. So, bali, pangalawang araw na namin dito. Mamaya, uuwi na kami, pero sasulitin muna namin yung pasyal-pasyal dyan.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about.
ininom ko, no? Kasi nga, ngayon lang uminit ng todo talaga. Bukas lalamig na naman. Saka minsan, kahit mainit, pag malakas ang hangin, so, hindi na nai-enjoy. Kaya ngayon talaga maraming tao din. Dahil nga, sa ganda ng dito tayo muna. Wait, babe! House of Jewelry. So, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo guys yung water.
There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
Okay guys, so dito muna kami, papahinga-pahinga muna kami dito. Time ko naman for a good shot kasi na pa ako dito kasi sila binivideo, ako naman i-video ni Daddy. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda dito guys, tamang-tama, na-enjoy namin yung magandang panahon today. Ayan, sumabay pa yung sa ingay, ayan. So guys, talaga naman nakaka-relax dito. Talagang maganda, na-i-enjoy namin yung araw na to. Kung pwede nga lang, dito muna kami mag-stay, no? Hanggang ilang araw. Kaso sa susunod na bukas lang bababa na yung weather. Bukas lang medyo lalamig na. So medyo mag-ingat tayo dito habang lalakad kasi may mga butas-butas siyang tingnan nyo. Ayan, may mga yung dinadaanan namin. Kaya baka may malaglag na. Okay, why not? Pagdating natin sa bahay, of course. Para makatulog ka ng maayos.
I never thought breakups were pretty. You told a lie, I let you go. Started the words that I completed, but that was then, so long ago. I told you then, like I say now, that we were golden. Now you're not here, you brought us down. I told you so. Oh, how I wish I didn't care.
Yung dalawa hinihintay ako.
That I could just erase, rewind, let it roll. Meet me back here next year, and I'll be fine by then. We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know.
Tingnan natin yung lakas ni Mr. dito kung gaano kalaki masusuntok niya. Good job, babe! Sana makakuha ka, anak. Yan. Si Mami yung matunang matutuwa. Dati nakakuha siya noon nakaraan. Si Yoda, ang laki.
We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking by myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then. I'll be fine by then. I go to bed to get up early.
So guys, pabalik na kami. Pabalik na kami doon sa parking lot at uuwi na kami. At napapagod na rin kami. At hindi lang sa nakakapagod, talagang medyo mainit ang panahon ngayon. Kaya na-enjoy namin yung aircon nung nandun kami sa hotel eh. Na-enjoy namin yung aircon doon.
I never thought breakups were pretty.
So guys, pauwi na kami ngayon. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. Papunta na kami sa parking lot. Napakainit ng panahon. At bukas may pasok na si Riona. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo at see you again on our next vlog. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye-bye!
We were on a high, but now we're letting go, and finding the way back is all I know. All I know. From now, I'm thinking by myself, I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then. I'll be fine by then. I go to bed to get up early. I go to work and not much change. I met a girl and she's quite funny, but I'm not quite there, ready for love.